beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Zoya Day, licensed esthetician, and this is Dee's Beauty Room, your #1 source for professional skincare advice, product knowledge, and esthetician tips. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about oil cleansing and the purpose it serves for the face. And I'm going to be showing you a little demonstration on how I like to oil cleanse for my skin. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Let's get started with today's video. So before I actually show you how to oil cleanse, let's talk a little bit about what oil cleansing actually is. So the basic concept of oil cleansing is that you're using some type of cleansing balm or cleansing oil to remove any type of makeup, dirt, sunscreen, sebum, and dead skin from the face without being super stripping on the skin. Now, talking about how often you should be oil cleansing your face definitely depends on what your skin needs. So I recommend going to see a licensed professional such as an esthetician so they can better assist you on what your skin needs. I recommend oil cleansing no more than at least once a day at night so you can always make sure that your skin is super well hydrated. And I definitely think it's a great added step for your nighttime skincare routine. Now, to get into the demonstration part of oil cleansing. So you're going to want to take at least 3 to 4 drops of your favorite oil cleanser. I recommend Dermalogica Precleanse or DHC's Deep Cleansing Oil. Then you're going to want to massage the oil all over your face for at least a minute or so. If you want more of a luxury facial feel, you can always massage for 5 to 10 minutes more, which will allow the oil to seep into the skin and remove impurities like makeup, pollution, sunscreen, and any excess oil the skin produces. And also, don't forget to get into your hairline, just because there is a chance that there could be added hair products or anything like that that can cause breakouts. Now, keep in mind, oil cleansing can be great to use as a makeup remover. You can also use cleansing balms, which are a little more thicker and really stick to the makeup a lot better, and will even remove some of your hardest waterproof makeup. But beware, if you are going to be wearing lash extensions, you do not want to be oil cleansing, because the oils from the cleanser will actually break down the adhesive on the lashes, causing you to lose and shed lashes like crazy. And as somebody who used to perform lashes on the regular, I definitely recommend staying away from oil cleansing until you have your extensions off. Now that you've been cleansing for about 5 minutes, you're going to use a damp washcloth to gently wipe away any oil and leftover residue from the cleanser, making sure not to over scrub the face, causing any type of irritation. If you haven't used oil cleanser before, you'll notice there will be kind of like a film or residue type feeling left on the skin, and that is totally normal. At this point, you can go ahead and go into your second step, which is going to be the double cleanse. And in this step, you're going to use a cleanser that is best suited for your skin type. Now, oil cleansing has many benefits for the skin, but keep in mind that you might go through a purging process. All that means is the skin has an increase in cell turnover, causing the skin to release any dirt, oil, dead skin from underneath the skin, eventually exposing your new healthy skin. And if you found this information useful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want daily skincare tips and advice, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and we will see you in my next video.